Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Worx Hedge Trimmers is probably one of the most essential tools for any homeowner with a yard. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Worx Hedge Trimmers, exploring their features, performance, and value. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, choosing the right hedge trimmer can make a huge difference in your yard care routine. We'll cover everything you need to know to make an informed decision and find the perfect Worx trimmer for your needs. Number 5. Worx WG26122 Cordless Hedge Trimmer. This hedge trimmer is ergonomically designed for comfortable use. It's tough yet easy to handle, making your trimming tasks a breeze. The 22-inch blade is perfect for flat tops and long sides, while still being nimble enough for corners. It's the ideal size for various trimming needs. This trimmer uses the Shear battery system, compatible with over 75 tools. It comes with a charger and a 2.0 Ah 20V battery, ready to power this or any other Worx tool. The D-grip handle allows you to hold it at any angle for comfortable cutting. It provides leverage for both high and low hedge trimming. The dual-action blades ensure a clean and powerful cut. They cut once and then again on the return, for a fast and efficient trim. The design includes a 3/4 inch blade gap and overmold grips to absorb vibration. You'll hardly feel a thing while using it. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation with this rechargeable trimmer. No more worries about cords, just easy and convenient power gardening. What we like. This Worx trimmer features dual-action blades, ensuring a clean and efficient cut every time. The cordless design gives you the freedom to move around your yard without being tethered to an outlet. If you're looking for a powerful and easy-to-use trimmer that makes quick work of hedges, this is the one for you. What people say. The hedge trimmer is lightweight and easy to handle. The battery life is excellent, allowing me to trim my entire yard without needing to recharge. The blades are sharp and cut through thick branches with ease. Number 4. Worx WG8012-in-1 Cordless Hedge Trimmer. This Worx garden tool is easy to maneuver and maintain. It makes cutting your shrubs a breeze, giving them a clean and professional look. This tool comes with 2 blades, a 4 grass shear blade and an 8 shrubbery blade. It's like having 2 tools in one, and you can even add a pole extension for extra reach. The included battery is part of the Shear family. This means it can power over 75 other Worx 20V, 40V, and 80V tools for your home and garden. It includes both a 4 grass shear blade and an 8 shrubbery blade. This gives you flexibility to tackle different trimming tasks. It's a versatile tool for all your needs. The included sheath guard protects the blade when stored. This helps extend the life of the tool and ensures it performs well for years to come. The rubber handle absorbs vibration and reduces hand fatigue. This allows you to work longer and more comfortably, getting more done with less strain. Changing the blades is quick and easy. Just flip, push the button, and slide off the faceplate. You'll be back to work in no time. What we like. This Worx tool offers a 2-in-1 function, switching between a grass shear and a shrub trimmer with ease. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver. If you have a variety of trimming tasks and value versatility, this is the perfect choice for maintaining a neat and tidy yard. What people say. It is very lightweight but still has enough power to get through foliage and thin stems when using the trimmer attachment. The clipper attachment has a bit more cutting ability, and works well when cutting down perennials, or for giving an edging trim for creeping evergreens. It works quietly and smoothly and is very lightweight and easy to use. Number 3. SnapFresh 2-in-1 Cordless Grass Shear and Bush Trimmer. This handheld trimmer has 2 blades for different tasks. It can easily switch between trimming grass and shaping bushes. It's a convenient tool for all your yard work needs. With a strong motor and sharp blades, it makes quick work of your yard. It can cut through branches up to 8 mm thick. This allows you to easily maintain your garden. The lightweight design makes it easy to handle with one hand. The non-slip handle provides a comfortable grip. This reduces strain, making yard work more enjoyable. It has a dual safety switch to prevent accidental starts. This feature ensures user protection, making it safe for both beginners and experienced gardeners. You can feel confident while using it. It's cordless with a built-in battery and indicator. This allows you to move freely around your yard. It saves time and is much easier to use than traditional tools. It's an ideal gift for anyone who enjoys yard work. It's perfect for birthdays, housewarmings, or holidays. Remember to charge it every few months when not in use. What we like. This SnapFresh trimmer boasts a lightweight design, making it easy to handle for extended periods. The dual safety switch provides added protection. If you are a beginner or looking for a safe and easy-to-use tool for your yard, you should consider this. What people say. The blades are very sharp and cuts everything precisely. Lightweight and powerful enough to trim my front hedges and still have plenty of battery left. Very light so you don't get very tired and can keep up with long jobs. Number 2. Wild Badger 40V4 in 1 Multi-Tool Kit. This versatile tool combines a string trimmer edger, pole saw, hedge trimmer, and brush cutter. It's designed to handle various yard tasks with ease and efficiency. The kit includes attachments for trimming, sawing, and cutting. This multi-tool is a comprehensive solution for all your yard maintenance needs. The lightweight design reduces strain during use. You can work for extended periods without feeling fatigued, making yard work more enjoyable. Powered by two 20V4Ah batteries, it delivers robust performance. This ensures it can tackle tough jobs with consistent power. It's easy to assemble and switch between attachments quickly. The design optimizes comfort and reduces vibration, allowing you to work comfortably for longer periods. What we like. This Wild Badger power tool is a 4-in-1 multi-tool, offering versatility for various yard tasks. It's powered by a strong engine. If you have multiple yard maintenance needs and want a single, adaptable tool, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The hedge trimmer is lightweight and easy to handle. It has a long reach, making it easy to trim tall hedges. The rotating handle is a great feature, allowing for comfortable trimming at different angles. Number 1. MAXLANDER 18-inch Cordless Pole Hedge Trimmer. This cordless pole hedge trimmer features a powerful motor and 18-inch blades for efficient cutting. It reduces vibration while trimming, making the job easier and faster. The cutting spacing handles various branch sizes. With the extension pole, it reaches up to 16 feet. This allows you to easily trim high branches and leaves without needing a ladder. It's designed to make your work more convenient. The trimmer has a double safety protection system. It requires both the safety lock and trigger to be activated. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable and stable grip. The head is adjustable from 0 to 135 degrees, and the handle is ergonomically designed. This allows you to operate the trimmer flexibly in any direction. It makes trimming at different angles easy. The automatic oiling system keeps the saw in top condition. It also extends the life of the chain and bar. This feature ensures the tool's longevity and performance. What we like. This MAXLANDER trimmer features an extended reach with its pole design, allowing you to tackle tall hedges with ease. The adjustable head provides flexibility in trimming angles. If you have tall hedges or need to reach high branches, this is the tool for you. What people say. Long battery run time, sharp blades that will cut through hedges and small stuff with ease. I was impressed with how well it performed in both area and the adjustable angles of the head. Battery power was never an issue. This is an amazing trimmer. It is half the weight and 30% longer than my old trimmer. I worked on my hedges for over an hour on one battery, with power left over. The ability to vary the length of the pole is crucial, as well as the multiple blade angles. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.